Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of the chapter The Seed. Let's see the first question. What did the king want someone? Why did the king want someone from outside the family to succeed him? Why did the king want? We know it very well because his heirs were very lazy. So the three answers are given out of three. C part is the correct answer. Chand's seed did not sprout, yet he took his empty bowl to the temple. Why? Three answers are given out of the three. The answer is B part. His mother said that he had done his best, so he should keep his promise. Because Chand had done his best, it was a sprout that was boiled and the sprout did not grow. So his mother said him to take this to the temple. So the answer is B part. Let's see the third. Here are some words. Tell us about the Chand's character. The correct words we are to find from this. First word is honest. He was honest, simple, obedient, truthful, and he was courageous also. So out of these these were the characters. These were the things. These were the character of the Chand. Now come to the question answers. How do we know that the emperor had grown old? How do we know this? This is told in the first chapter's second line that the king was grown old. The king had grown old and he wanted someone to be his successor. He wanted someone to be his successor. This shows that the king had grown old. When anyone is grown old, only then he thought that who should be his successor. Now question number 2. What did the emperor decide to do when he felt that his heirs were lazy? What did he decide to do? He called all the people to the temple to choose his successor. The third question is, the townsmen were shocked at the emperor's word. What shocked them? What shocked them? When emperor announced that he would choose his successor, these words shocked the townsmen because they knew that emperor had the children and grandchildren. Then question number 4. What did the emperor give the townsmen? What did he want them to do? What did the emperor give the townsmen? The emperor gave one seed to everyone and he wanted them to bring back with the plants after 1 year, and after that he would choose who would be the successor of the king. What did Chand's mother give him? Chand's mother gave him a porcelain to grow the seed. Next question. Why was Chand worried about his seed? Chand was worried about his seed because the seed was not growing. He put pebbles and then some soil, and after that he is giving water daily, but still the seed was not growing. That's why Chand was worried. Next question. Chand said, I failed. Had he really failed? Give reason for your answer. We all know that no, Chand was not failed. It was the seed the seed was boiled. That's why the seed could not grow. So we cannot say that Chand was failed. Really, in real sense, he was successful, and he was chosen his successor by the king. Question number 8. Do you think the emperor was really a wise man? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, the emperor was really a wise man because he gave boiled seed to everyone and he wanted to see who is the truthful person in his town who could so that he could choose as his successor, and he did not tell anyone that these seeds were boiled. So we can say that the emperor was a wise man. So these were the question answers. I will send you the PDF of the correct answers also, but you write these MCQs in your notebook and then question answers in your notebook. Thank you.